Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. Today's video is where I am working in my holiday binder. I have $100 in prop money and my saving challenges. So let's get started. Let's start with Thanksgiving. All right. So we just going to go ahead and, I don't know, we need dice. We just go ahead and just scratch one. Let's scratch this one. And this is created by Snowgarter 307. And that is $5 for Miss Georgette's lemonade. Where's my vacuum cleaner? All the way over there. Ooh. So $5. Should we do one more? This says 50. We got a 15. No, we're going to stop there. Let's stop there, and then we'll come back around. All right, so Black Friday. This is created by Bookish Mama Budget. Says $45. And there's a cute little bumblebee. And that is an 8. And we don't know the denominations on this one, but it says 45. All right. Did we already do one on here? Oh, yeah, we did that 7. Okay, I was about to say, why is it money here already? All right. Let's see, can we buy back? Let's do these 2 5s for a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. 15. And Christmas. This is created by Cajangirlcreates, and this last little scratch here is a 9. $9. Let me see. Do I got $1? Yes, got $1 here. Put this 10 in, and this should be 61. And it is 50, 60, and 1. Yes, so we completed that page. So this is the second page I completed in this book. So this 57 and 61 is what? 57 plus 61. So $118 so far. And then we will start on this page. Let's go ahead and scratch one on this page. I just love this book. Let's do this one. And a 2. Perfect. So $2. So 1 and 2. Let me take this money out so I won't get that confused. And I will put this money and this. These are envelopes too. So I will put that in here so I know to put that on my tracker. And then, yeah, perfect. Next we have New Year. In New Year, this is created by Snowgarter 307. Says $50. So let's do this one. And this is an 8. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Valentine's Day is created by Stuff and Budgets. A cute little beachy scene here. And that is a 6. All right. 5 and 6. Perfect. And that's it. Let's put these 2 5s, grab a 10. All right, Easter. So I added Easter in here. So this says $50, and it's created by Budget with Carly. Nice little scratches here, so cute. $4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, vacation. So I think I'm gonna finish this because I am doing vacation in my, if you haven't checked out my my new family binder, vacation is in there. So I'm gonna finish this one and then take this out, and I believe I'm gonna put birthday back in here. I think that's what I decided. So let's go ahead and finish this one. I think, should I finish? See, that's 5. Let's do another one. That's 11. Maybe we just stop there. 11. That's so 10 and 11. And then we'll see. We shall see. Emergency. I think emergency should go into my home. Well, I put a rainy day one in there. Ew, but it also can be emergency. Maybe I can switch that around. I can still keep that 100 envelope one in there as a catch-all, but then add this one for the rainy day, so I can keep playing this or doing this, completing this book. There you go. Goodness, get it out, T. All right. I think I'm gonna do that. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out stuff. So work with me, gems. So this is created by no, not created by me. Created by Snow Gardener 307. So let's scratch here. So that is a 9. And I'm just going to finish this page. And that sticker just came off, which is great. So 9 and 5, $14. These stickers come out pretty good. So you can actually like reuse this book and re-sticker it if you wanted to. 10. Do I have $1? I do. So let's put 15 in. Oops. Oh my goodness. All right. So this one is $50 on this page, and I have been doing this page, the Shut the Box, and the Sharks. So far I got 50, 65, $66. So should we do a round of Shut the Box? Just one round since we're doing it the low budget way. Why not? All right, let's get our marker. All right, we got 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's go ahead and do the 9. All right, we got 5. We got 10. So let's do 8 and 2. We got 5 and 4. Oh, another 9. 7. Oh no. Hold on. No, hold on. Hold on. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Let's do 6 and 3. All right. We got 7. Okay, we doing good. Oh, we can roll 1 dice, right? Yes, because we got 5. Okay. And we got 2. So we didn't shut the box, but we have 2 squares left. So we're going to save $2. Perfect. Should that be it? Let's do a shark also. Why not? Let's do a $5 shark. Oh, is this cutie? And then we'll go back to the vacation one and see if we can finish that. Perfect. Cute little shark, $5. All right. All right, so let's go back to vacation. 2 scratches. Can we do it? All right. And we have a 2. It looks adorable. And a 5 for $7. So 5, 6, 7. And it should say $30. All right, we have 10, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Yes, we do. So $30, I'm just going to put that back. So $30 for vacation. So that is a completed challenge. And we still got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19 left. So we can go back to Miss Georgette here. Let's scratch another one. And that is a 4. Perfect. So let's put this dollar back and grab a 5. So Miss Georgette got 20, 35 out of 50. And then let's see what we can do with Black Friday here. Okay. All right, we got 5. Let's do another one. And then 6 for $11. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I was hoping that was $11. Oh, we got $4 left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. I don't know why they just didn't look like $11. All right. And with $4, what are we going to do, Gems? We are going to go to we are going to our emergency. That's the safest. And we are going to go to our sharks again. $4. Which shark is going to be? It's going to be, see, $4. We can do, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's finish these up because these are all $1. Oh man, that's not the same blue. Oh well. That's his cousin. I don't know which. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? Apparently I can't trace. Okay, so the $4 going into the emergency. All right, Jim. So I'm going to figure out some of these categories in my holiday binder. If I'm just going to make it strictly just all holiday, I think that's what should happen. And I should put the other categories into my family binder. So yeah, I'm still going to figure that out, so stay tuned. But thank you once again for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.